The first one was programming, teaching to first year students the basics of C language for programming. Second lecture was a postgraduate lecture about GPU programming and Xeon-Phi programming. And the third lecture was about about networks, how to set up local area networks and wireless networks and stuff like that. So I'm back at the site, and I just want you to notice how quiet the new HPSL 250S Generation 8 are. Basically, what I'm going to do now is to add another server to our cluster. We need to plug it into the enclosure, and I will show you how easy it is to set up with our StackIQ cluster management software to add more and more nodes to the cluster. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to plug in physically the server, and from there I'm going to show you how easy it is to add it to the cluster. Oops, I was forgetting that first I need to show you how to unmount the server from the enclosure. So basically what we have here is two Generation X servers. What I want to do is remove this one, which is full of graphics card. So what I want to do is to unmount it, and then I'm going to mount the brand new server with the Xeon-Phi accelerator, add it to the cluster, and then I'll plug in back this server, because I'm going to need the computing power for the CUDA capable devices in order to process some data. ILO suite for managing servers, it's here, so I'm going to unplug it. I'm using only 1 gigabit Ethernet connection, and I must say that these servers have got an InfiniBand. This is very important because what we do is to work this as a single machine. So in order to transfer data as fast as possible between nodes when they are working in a complex problem, it's very important to do the transmission of data as quickly as possible, and this is only possible with the InfiniBand. Okay, so this is the server, as I was telling you. This is fitted with 2 Tesla cards and 1 M2070. So basically I'm using this to achieve a speed ups of 40 times a previous code that was running on a single thread. Okay, so this is the other server going into the enclosure, and look how easy it is. I use only one finger to plug it in. First I need to plug back in the management network cable. Also what I need to plug in is the InfiniBand cable. And finally what I need to plug in is the gigabit Ethernet back in. This gigabit Ethernet is going to be used for communicating with the front end and registering in the cluster and installing the operating system. So this is a completely automatic task, and after that I just need to PXE boot it, and it's going to be detected by the front end, install the operating system, and become another node in the cluster.